Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into an important topic, ear health. Your ears do more than just help you hear. They also help you stay balanced and alert. Let's explore 10 simple but powerful tips to keep your ears healthy and sharp. Tip 1. Avoid loud noises. Loud music or working in noisy environments can cause permanent damage to your ears. Keep the volume low, especially when using headphones. Follow the 60/60th rule. Listen at 60% volume for no more than 60 minutes at a time. If you're at a concert or near heavy machinery, use ear protection like plugs or earmuffs. Tip 2. Clean ears safely. Never insert cotton swabs or sharp objects into your ears. This can push wax deeper or damage your eardrum. Instead, clean the outer part of your ears gently with a damp cloth. If you think you have excess earwax, consult a healthcare provider for safe removal options like irrigation or drops. Tip 3. Don't ignore ear pain. If you experience ear pain, ringing, or sudden hearing loss, don't delay a doctor's visit. These can be signs of infections, fluid buildup, or even nerve damage. Early detection can help prevent more serious issues. Never try to self-medicate without knowing the actual cause of your ear discomfort. Tip 4. Keep ears dry. Moisture in your ears, especially after swimming or showering, can lead to infections like swimmer's ear. After water activities, gently dry your ears with a towel and tilt your head to let water drain out. Avoid using cotton swabs to dry them, and use earplugs when swimming if you're prone to infections. Tip 5. Take listening breaks. Using headphones or earbuds for long periods can fatigue your ears and damage hearing over time. Make it a habit to take breaks every hour. Let your ears rest in silence or switch to over-ear headphones that are less damaging than in-ear buds, especially at higher volumes. Tip 6. Manage earwax naturally. Earwax protects your ears by trapping dust and bacteria. It's normal and healthy, unless it builds up and causes discomfort. To manage it, avoid over-cleaning and try using drops made with olive oil or hydrogen peroxide to soften it. Only a doctor should remove compacted wax or blockages. Tip 7. Be cautious with earbuds. Earbuds that are too tight or used for too long can cause irritation, infections, or hearing loss. Choose earbuds with soft tips and clean them regularly with alcohol wipes. Better yet, switch to over-ear headphones for safer, more hygienic listening, especially in warm or sweaty conditions. Tip 8. Boost your nutrition. What you eat affects your ears. Nutrients like magnesium, potassium, and zinc support hearing health and protect against age-related hearing loss. Eat foods like bananas, spinach, nuts, avocados, and fish. Staying hydrated also helps keep the delicate parts of your inner ears functioning properly. Tip 9. Exercise regularly. Regular exercise improves blood circulation, which is essential for ear function and balance. Activities like walking, yoga, and swimming promote healthy oxygen flow to your ears and brain. Just remember to protect your ears from water and loud gym music. Healthy body, healthy ears. Tip 10. Get regular hearing checks. Hearing can decline slowly, so you may not notice it right away. Regular hearing tests, especially after age 40, can catch early signs of hearing loss. If you work in a loud environment or listen to music often, get tested even earlier. Prevention starts with awareness. We've made it to the end of this ear-resounding journey. Your ears are small but mighty. By following these 10 tips, you can protect your hearing and overall ear health for years to come. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more health tips, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Stay healthy and keep listening clearly. Get your supplement today in the link below.